Hello, my name is James Cutforth, Global Head of Regulated Sectors at Domino Printing Sciences. Domino has been a long-standing member of the GS1 healthcare community, and we are very proud and excited to be a key sponsor again at the 40th GS1 Global Healthcare Conference in November in the beautiful city of Brussels. Our team of experts will be on hand to answer questions and support manufacturers and key stakeholders with any aspects of serialization, coding, or late-stage customization. GS1 events are very important to Domino as they are critical in allowing us to understand our customers' immediate and future requirements. We hope you can make the conference in person and hopefully attend our Meet the Expert session. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Bart van Steenkiste. I've been a member of the Domino Life Sciences sector team for over 10 years now and have been visiting many GS1 global healthcare conferences before. I will be interviewed by GS1 at the event for the on-air radio podcast, so I'm really looking forward to seeing you all again in Brussels.